The American veteran of Igbo descent, or Arvid, has issued a strong condemnation of what it calls a judicial travesty in the ongoing trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, at the Federal High Court in Abuja. The trial is presided over by Justice James Omotosho. Arvid declared the trial legally null and void, citing a fundamental breach of Nigeria's 1999 Constitution. Section 36, subsection 12 mandates that no one shall face criminal trials unless the offense and penalty are defined by law. Yet, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being tried under the Repealed Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act of 2013, discarded by the new Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act of 2022. Arvid accused Justice Omotosho of ignoring the repeal and delaying critical jurisdictional questions until judgment, a practice contrary to Supreme Court precedents. The law demanded that the offense must also be a crime in Kenya, where Kanu was adopted a condition not met, undermining the trial's very foundation. The group criticized the Nigerian Bar Association and National Judicial Council for their silence, calling it a betrayal of legal ethics. They highlighted denied access to lawyers and family, and the court's dismissal of vital evidence, all violating constitutional rights to fair hearing. In a direct appeal, Arvid called on the United Nations Human Rights Council, the U.S. Department of State, and the African Commission of Human and People's Rights to intervene and monitor this case. They urge immediate action to uphold international fair trial standards. Arvid's president, Chief Dr. Sylvester Onia, concluded that Nigeria faces a choice between law and lawlessness, demanding the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and a restoration of constitutional rule.